a refrigerator that does more than it looks. Introducing Haier's frost-free double-door refrigerator that is available in 258, 278, 310 and 347 litre capacity with 2-star, 3-star and 4-star ICING rating. Available in vibrant patterns and solid colors with a glossy finish. Equipped with a twin inverter technology that helps run both the fan motor and compressor at inverter, causing fewer fluctuations and more energy savings. Available with 1-hour icing technology that makes ice cubes faster than making a curry. Also, you don't have to worry about the space, as the unit is innovatively designed with 5 modes to cater to your usage patterns. This unit features a 360-degree cooling that enables cold air to rotate in every direction, making cooling remain intact and fresh. Featuring a spacious interior that comes with toughened glass shelves, these are strong enough to withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans too. Veggies and greens remain fresh and crisp in the large and spacious vegetable box. It also has sturdy door shelves with bottle guards for storing PEP water bottles or soft drink cans. The Inverter series frost-free refrigerators by Haier feature a thicker PUF insulation that helps retain low temperatures efficiently for better cooling. Haier's range of elegant and smart frost-free double-door refrigerators do not need a stabilizer for optimum operation, as it can function even at a lower power voltage of 130 volts. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor.